superior, reliable moving off the slopes. This is ensured by the perfect synchronization of several vehicle components in the Arocs. Starting with the new powerful 6-cylinder inline engine, available in 4 cubic capacity classes with 16 performance levels, which is included as standard in the Euro 6. It provides high torque even at low engine speeds. For increased riding comfort and to enable the enormous power of the engine to be applied as precisely as possible, the Arocs comes to the construction site equipped with the advanced Mercedes PowerShift 3 automatic transmission as standard. The differential locks supplied as standard accurately distribute the power provided to the individual wheels, depending on the specific driving conditions, leading to excellent traction. In addition, the rollback lock, activated at the push of a button, results in greater comfort and safety when moving off on a slope. The crawl function is able to provide comfortable moving off on a slope even when the surface is slippery, because the torque is distributed to the wheels extremely sensitively, avoiding wheel spin. The crawl function is controlled using only the brake pedal. The Arocs, the new force in construction.